Well, guys, this set of steps here in the basement is just basically done. The one step on here is collapsed. So what I am going to do is, Jesus Christ, get these steps, get these nails. For the majority of it, I have them out. So what I think I can do now is tip it forward, pop them out, like so. Now we get the steps again. I'm thinking about moving them just ever so slightly so they can fasten somewhat level again, which would be about here compared to where they used to be. So right here, like where they used to be, it's got 4. So now we get these. These are actually concrete screws, to be honest, but they'll work. I am going to do it the way it was before, like this. So one. This one's going to go in now. Now we're going to go in here. That should just pop right back in. So then we'll look in here and just I'm gonna have to pop a nail out. There we go. Again, set these 2 boards in.